Hello there, my name is Fabio and I welcome you to today's guided meditation. Thank you for being here. I kindly ask you to find your favorite position. Make sure to be relaxed and have your spine upright. Please turn off all of your notifications. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Welcome to day 9 of our meditation journey. Today we explore emotional awareness. Let's begin by bringing gentle awareness to your body, starting at the top of your head. Notice not just physical sensations, but how you're feeling emotionally today. Let your face soften, releasing any emotional tension you might be holding in your jaw or around your eyes. Feel your chest. This is where many emotions live. Your heart, your breathing, all connected to how you feel. You're safe to feel whatever's here today. Today we learn that emotions, like thoughts, are welcome in meditation. You do not need to feel calm or peaceful to meditate well. It's fine if you're feeling happy, but maybe you're feeling stressed, sad, excited, or anxious today. All these emotions can be part of your practice. Find your breath anchor and simply notice what emotion is present right now. Whatever emotion you notice, try breathing with it instead of pushing it away. If you feel anxiety, breathe with the anxiety. If you feel sadness, breathe with the sadness. Emotions are energy in motion. When you breathe with them, they can move and change naturally. You're not trying to fix or change your emotions. Just be present with them. Notice that when you stop fighting your emotions, they often soften on their own, right? You can feel sad and still be okay. You can feel anxious and still be safe. Emotions are temporary visitors, not permanent residents. This is emotional wisdom. Learning to be present with all of your human experience. As we finish today's practice, offer yourself compassion for whatever you're feeling. You're human. We have emotions. This is not a problem to solve. It's part of being alive. Meditation doesn't make you emotionless, it makes you emotionally wise. You just learned one of the most important meditation skills today: emotional awareness and acceptance. When you're ready, take 3 deep breaths, feeling grateful for your full human experience. Then I'm complete. Tomorrow, 10 minutes of finding stillness. See you then.